Tired of messy drawers, clothes everywhere? It's time to take control of your wardrobe and transform that chaos into a neatly organized haven. Imagine opening your drawers and finding everything perfectly folded and easy to access. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's about to become your reality. In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn to fold like a pro and conquer closet chaos. Let's get folding. Whether it's t-shirts, bulky sweaters, or even those tricky pants, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a streamlined wardrobe. Ready to dive in? Let's start with the basics. First, t-shirts. Lay flat. Fold sides in. T-shirts are a staple in everyone's wardrobe, but they can easily become a jumbled mess. By following these simple steps, you'll have perfectly folded t-shirts that save space and look great. Fold bottom up. And again. Perfect. Notice how compact and tidy it looks? This method not only saves space, but also keeps your t-shirts wrinkle-free. Now let's move on to something a bit bulkier. Look at that, a drawer full of neatly folded t-shirts, each one easily accessible. No more digging through piles to find your favorite shirt. Next, bulky sweaters. Sweaters can be tricky due to their size and thickness, but with the right technique, you can fold them neatly and save a ton of space. Arms across. Fold in half. By crossing the arms and folding in half, you reduce the bulk and make the sweater more manageable. Then thirds, neat and flat. This method ensures your sweaters stay flat and take up minimal space in your drawer or on your shelf. Look at that stack of sweaters, each one perfectly folded and ready to wear. No more bulky messes. Pants and jeans. Pants and jeans can be a challenge, but with a few simple folds, you can keep them neat and tidy. Fold leg over leg. Fold crotch in. This technique helps to minimize wrinkles and keeps your pants looking sharp. Then roll or fold. Tidy. Rolling is a great option for saving space, especially if you're packing for a trip. Folding works well for drawer storage. Look at that stack of pants, each one neatly folded or rolled, ready to be worn. Your pants and jeans are now drawer ready, taking up minimal space and looking great. Even socks. Lay flat. Fold. Tuck. Organized. Don't forget about your socks. A simple fold and tuck can keep them organized and easy to find. Look at that! Organized, space-saving, and so satisfying. Your closet has never looked better. Each item is perfectly folded and easy to access. T-shirts, sweaters, pants, all perfectly folded. You did it! Congratulations on transforming your wardrobe. Enjoy the satisfaction of a neat and organized space. Want more easy organizing tips? We've got plenty more where that came from. Stay tuned for more ways to keep your home tidy and efficient. Smash that like and subscribe. Don't miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a more organized life. What do you struggle to fold? Tell us below. We love hearing from you and are here to help with all your folding challenges.